2016 Toyota Tacoma belt tensioner replacement on the 3.5 V6. So basically, step one, what you're going to want to do is pull your upper pulley off. Not needed, but it gives you more room to access the tensioner there. The second thing, and that's a 14 millimeter. The second thing is going to be pull the pulley off of your old tensioner. That's going to be another 14 millimeter, but it's reverse threads. So lefty tighty, righty loosey. And then once you get that off, you're gonna come down here. Let's see here. You're gonna pull a 14 millimeter out right below the tensioner, right there. My finger's pointing. 14 there, and a 14 right up top here, right on top there where the bolt is missing. You're gonna pull that 14 out too. Those are your two main ones. And then you're gonna have one more. Sorry, let me grab it. You're gonna have one more. This is on top of your AC compressor. Tensioner, AC compressor. That's gonna be a 13 millimeter stud with a nut. So you're gonna take a 13 millimeter. I already got it started loosen that. And then next, I'm gonna go find the socket. It's gonna be a inverted star. You have to pull that whole stud out of there. I'll be back with the size on that. Okay. So now with that nut off, you're gonna have the stud. That stud is an E-torque stud. You have to take that out. You can double nut it if you don't have a E-torque socket set, but the easiest just get an E-torque. An E-torque looks like this. There's a Matco one, but and see if I can get to focus. It's an E8 torque, E-torques, I think they're called. So I'm gonna take this with a 1/4 inch ratchet, take that stud out, and that should release our tensioner. And this is the tensioner when it's pulled out. So like in the video, you got that lower bolt, this bolt. With this pulley off, you have really good access to get to these. And then this stud here is what was shown above the AC compressor. That goes through the AC compressor, holds it in with that nut. And this is why you need that E-torque socket. I would recommend getting it because you could pull this whole thing out in 30 minutes easily. And then to get this top bolt out, what I had to do is, you see how this tensioner is right in the way, so you can't get the socket on there. So you put this bolt back in. I forgot to show us on the video. You take a pry bar, about a 12-inch pry bar, nothing crazy. Put it just like this and pry up, and this whole assembly will spin up out of the way. This bolt is now accessible, so you hold that back, buzz this out, and then lastly do this, because this holds everything in place while you're working here. So, but I'll be back with a new install.